Hello and welcome to this channel. In today's video, we will talk about 10 signs that indicate you may have gut cancer. But before we begin, if you're new here, do make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you find our videos helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share them with your friends and family. So let's get started. Number 1, unexplained weight loss. When it comes to cancer, weight loss is usually one of the first signs that something isn't right. However, there are several reasons why you might be losing weight, such as changes in diet or an increase in exercise. If you notice that you've lost weight without making any changes to your routine, it could be a sign of gut cancer. Number 2, changes in bowel habits. Cancer can cause blockages in the digestive tract, leading to constipation or diarrhea. If you experience a sudden change in your bowel habits that persists for more than a week, it's essential to consult your doctor. This symptom alone is not enough to diagnose gut cancer, but it's worth checking out to rule out any potential problems. Number 3, abdominal pain and bloating. While some people may experience pain when they have gut cancer, others may not feel any symptoms at all. However, if you notice a new or unusual abdominal pain that does not go away after eating or taking over-the-counter medication, it could be a sign of gut cancer. Persistent bloating is also a common symptom, especially in women. Number 4, blood in stool. Blood in the stool can be a sign of several different conditions, such as hemorrhoids, which are less serious. However, blood in the stool can also be a sign of something more serious, such as colon cancer. If you notice blood in your stool, it's important to see your doctor right away. Early diagnosis and treatment of colon cancer can greatly improve your chances of survival. Number 5, tearing pain in abdomen. If you have a sudden severe pain in your abdomen that feels like someone is tearing your stomach apart, you may be experiencing what is known as board-like rigidity. This is a sign of a serious condition called peritonitis, which occurs when the lining of the abdomen becomes inflamed. Peritonitis can be caused by a hole in the gut wall, which could be due to cancer. If you experience this symptom, seek medical attention immediately. Number 6, fatigue. Fatigue is another symptom that is not specific to gut cancer, but it can be an indicator of something more serious. If you feel tired all the time, and it's not because you're working too hard or didn't get enough sleep, it could be a sign of gut cancer. Cancer cells can cause fatigue by producing substances that interfere with the body's ability to produce red blood cells. Additionally, fatigue is a common symptom of anemia, which is often associated with gut cancer. The gut has a role in absorbing nutrients and producing certain proteins that help carry oxygen throughout the body. Cancer in the gut can impair these functions, leading to fatigue. Number 7, jaundice. Jaundice is a condition that causes the skin and whites of the eyes to turn yellow. It happens when there's a buildup of bilirubin, a yellow substance that is produced when the liver breaks down red blood cells. Bilirubin is normally processed by the liver and excreted through the bile ducts into the small intestine, where it is eliminated from the body. However, if the bile ducts become blocked, as can happen with gut cancer, bilirubin can build up in the bloodstream and cause jaundice. Number 8, loss of appetite. Cancer cells can release substances that interfere with the body's ability to digest food, leading to a loss of appetite. Additionally, gut cancer can cause inflammation and pain in the abdomen, making it difficult to eat. As a result, people with gut cancer may lose weight and become severely malnourished. Number 9, dark urine. Dark urine is another possible sign of gut cancer. When the liver breaks down red blood cells, it produces a substance called bilirubin, which gives urine its normal yellow color. However, if bilirubin levels are high, as can happen with gut cancer, urine may appear darker than usual. This symptom alone is not enough to diagnose gut cancer, but it's worth mentioning to your doctor. Number 10, change in voice. If you notice a change in your voice, such as hoarseness or a raspy voice, it could be a sign of gut cancer. This symptom is most likely to occur when cancer has spread to the vocal cords. However, it's important to note that other conditions can cause voice changes, so it's essential to consult a doctor for a proper diagnosis. While the thought of gut cancer can be scary, it's important to remember that many of these symptoms can be caused by less serious conditions. That being said, if you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to speak with your doctor. Early diagnosis and treatment of gut cancer can significantly improve your chances of survival. It's also worth noting that gut health plays a significant role in the development and progression of cancer. In fact, there's a strong link between gut health and cancer. The human gut contains trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that collectively form the gut microbiome. This microbiome plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and is involved in various bodily functions, including digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune system regulation. Recent studies have revealed that the composition and diversity of the gut microbiome can influence the risk and progression of cancer. For example, certain gut bacteria have been found to produce substances that promote the growth and spread of cancer cells. Additionally, an imbalance in the gut microbiome can lead to chronic inflammation, which creates an environment conducive to cancer development. On the other hand, a healthy and diverse gut microbiome can help prevent cancer by enhancing the body's natural defense mechanisms. The gut microbiome produces substances that promote apoptosis, a process where damaged or abnormal cells, including cancer cells, are destroyed. Moreover, a healthy gut microbiome strengthens the intestinal barrier, preventing harmful substances from leaking into the bloodstream and triggering inflammation. Another way that the gut microbiome influences cancer development is through its impact on hormone metabolism. Certain gut bacteria are involved in the breakdown of hormones, and an imbalance in these bacteria can lead to elevated hormone levels that promote cancer growth. For example, gut bacteria play a role in estrogen metabolism, and high estrogen levels have been linked to the development of certain cancers in women. It's important to note that the gut microbiome's influence on cancer risk varies depending on factors such as genetics, diet, and lifestyle. For instance, individuals with a family history of cancer may have a higher risk of developing cancer regardless of their gut microbiome composition. Similarly, a poor diet and lack of physical activity can contribute to an unhealthy gut microbiome and increase cancer risk. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is essential for cancer prevention and overall well-being. A balanced diet rich in fiber, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, can help support a diverse and healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics, which are live-beneficial bacteria, can also be consumed through fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, or taken as supplements to support gut health. Regular exercise and stress management practices such as yoga and meditation can also help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. In conclusion, the gut microbiome plays a complex and significant role in cancer development and progression. Understanding the link between gut health and cancer can help individuals take proactive steps to reduce their cancer risk and improve their overall health. By adopting a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, individuals can support a healthy gut microbiome and potentially lower their risk of developing cancer. If you're looking for ways to support a healthy gut and reduce your risk of gut cancer, be sure to check out our video on 10 essential tips for gut health. This video will provide you with practical advice and actionable items you can start implementing today. Simply click on the link provided and we'll see you there. Thanks for watching.